Definition of organization. What is organization? An organization is a structured entity that is formed to achieve specific goals or objectives. It can be defined as a group of individuals who come together and collaborate in a coordinated manner to accomplish common tasks and fulfill a shared purpose. Organizations can vary widely in their nature, size, and purpose, ranging from small local businesses to large multinational corporations, nonprofit organizations, government agencies, educational institutions, and more. Key characteristics of an organization include: structure. Organizations have a defined structure that outlines the hierarchy of authority, roles, and responsibilities within the group. This structure helps to establish order, coordination, and effective communication. Goals and objectives. Organizations are established with specific goals and objectives in mind. These may include providing a product or service, achieving financial success, promoting social causes, conducting research, or any other purpose the organization is designed to fulfill. People. Organizations consist of people who work together towards the common goals. These individuals may have different roles, skills, and expertise, but they collaborate and contribute their efforts to the overall functioning of the organization. Coordination. Organizations require coordination and cooperation among their members to ensure that tasks are completed efficiently. This involves assigning roles, establishing processes, setting guidelines, and facilitating communication and teamwork. Resources. Organizations utilize various resources such as financial capital, physical infrastructure, technology, human resources, and information to carry out their activities. Managing and allocating these resources effectively is crucial for the organization's success. Legal and regulatory framework. Organizations operate within legal and regulatory frameworks, which may vary depending on their type and jurisdiction. Compliance with applicable laws and regulations is important to maintain legitimacy and avoid legal issues. Adaptability. Organizations need to be adaptable to changing environments, market conditions, and societal demands. They must be able to adjust their strategies, structures, and operations to remain relevant and competitive. Overall, organizations provide a framework for individuals to work together towards common objectives, enabling them to achieve outcomes that would be difficult or impossible to attain individually.